In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads and Shopify. This is an essential step for anyone looking to enhance their e-commerce site's visibility and drive more sales through targeted advertising. By linking your Shopify store with Google Ads, you can better reach potential customers and turn clicks into conversions. Let's walk through the process together. Starting off, navigate to the Shopify admin panel. This is the command center for your Shopify store, where you can manage products, view analytics, and crucially, for our purposes today, install apps and integrations. To get there, simply log into your Shopify account and you'll be greeted by the Shopify Home dashboard. Once you've accessed the dashboard, the next step is to click on the settings located at the bottom left corner. The settings icon is your gateway to the deeper configurations of your store, allowing you to tweak everything from payment providers to shipping settings. However, our focus today lies within a specific section of these settings. Under settings, you'll find the apps and sales channels option. Clicking on this brings you to a page where you can manage your store's apps and integrations. Shopify's ecosystem thrives on these apps, offering functionalities that range from marketing tools to analytics dashboards. But to leverage the power of Google Ads, we need to add it as a new component to this system. To do this, locate and click on the Shopify App Store button, which will redirect you to the vast library of applications available for Shopify. Here you can find tools for nearly every purpose imaginable, but today we're focusing on one important task: integrating Google Ads. In the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to look up Google and YouTube. This search will bring up a list of relevant apps, but what we're interested in is the official Google channel for Shopify. This powerful integration not only allows you to manage Google Ads, but also connects your Shopify store with other Google services like YouTube and Google Analytics. Found the Google and YouTube app? Great. Now click on the app and you'll be taken to its detailed information page. Here you can learn more about what the integration offers and how it can benefit your store. When you're ready, click on the Install button. Shopify will then ask for confirmation to install the app, and clicking Install again will add the Google channel to your Shopify store. With the app installed, you're almost there. The next step is to connect your Google account to the Shopify store. This is crucial as it links your advertising efforts directly with your store's data. Look for the Connect Google Account button and give it a click. This action prompts you to choose which Google account you want to connect with. If you're already logged into Google on your browser, you might see your account listed here. If not, you'll need to log in. Select your Google account from the list provided, or log in if needed, and proceed to grant Shopify the necessary permissions to manage your Google Ads and access relevant data. Google takes privacy and security seriously, so this step ensures that the connection between Shopify and Google is secure and authorized by you. Once you've selected your account, you will come across the permission request from Shopify to manage your Google Ads and other related services. This is a critical step, as without these permissions, the integration cannot function properly. Click on Continue to signify your agreement and proceed. Finally, you'll be asked to allow Shopify to access specific data from your Google account. This includes information related to your Google Ads campaigns, Google Analytics data, and more, depending on the specific features of the Google channel you intend to use. Clicking Allow completes the integration process, effectively linking your Shopify store with Google Ads. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Google Ads with your Shopify store. From here, you can start setting up ad campaigns directed at your store's products, analyze traffic and conversion data through Google Analytics, and utilize the rich features offered by this integration to optimize your online store's performance. Remember, the key to a successful Google Ads campaign is ongoing management